If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To record purchases for jobs in Sage 50 Accounting, use the Job column at the right end of the Line Items sections in the Purchase Orders, Purchases/Receive Inventory, enter bills, payments, write checks, or other purchasing windows to assign line item amounts to customer jobs you select. This lets you record job costs. If needed, when you later invoice the customer, you can bill them for the items and materials you purchased for their job. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.